Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a drop skin fade, very popular in today's world. About most of your clients in their teens and 20s are going to be asking for this. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin. For the first step, I'm going to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using a trimmer that's not zero gapped. I repeat, it's a trimmer that's not zero gapped, it's fresh out of the box. And the trimmer that I'm using is the 22 Stinger by Caliber. Next, I'm removing the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using another 22 Stinger by Caliber. The only difference with this one is that this one is zero gapped, meaning I made sure that the blades meet at a point so that it cuts really tight. With this particular client, the machine is doing such a great job at cutting it so close that I really don't need to use a foil shaver. Next step, get rid of the bald line. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 Cal Mag by Caliber. Attach an 8-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade and do the same thing again. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 9mm by Caliber. Attach a 7-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade and do the same thing again. Attach a 6-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 5-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 4-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the sections you need to pass through, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 3-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 2-guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you finish, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1 guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you're finished, close the blade and pass through the section again. Make sure that you begin working your way down from this point. Attach a 1/2 guard, fully extend the blade, and pass through the section. When you're finished, close the blade just a bit and pass through the section again. Continue repeating this step until the demarcation is erased. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to sharpen the edges with a straight razor. If your drop fade looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of the machines in this video have been provided by Caliber. To purchase Caliber equipment, find the link in the description of this video and use discount code 555.